Koh Kong. We stayed at the Asian hotel last night. It was $60 for two king size beds. Really nice room, clean, good water, can't complain, really good food. So today we are heading for Sihanoukville. I'm probably not saying that right. Now, Sihanoukville is notorious for being known as either extremely poor or extremely developed by the Chinese developers. So we're going to go and check it out, see what it's like. What we've heard so far is it's just casinos, big high-rise developments, and then yeah, like I said, the other side of it is it's completely extremely poor. So let's go check it out. So Koh Kong is a coastal town. It is probably best known for the fact it's very close to the Thailand border. There is a bridge that crosses over into an industrial area, and then the border is directly after that. We set off from Koh Kong expecting another brutal day, and judging by the roads in town, it was not going to be a good one. Even the locals were struggling on the good roads. What hope did we have on the bad roads?
We have endured some of the worst roads that we have ever come across in the last day and a half in this tuk-tuk. Yesterday was absolutely brutal, and even this morning, the first hour and a half was just horrific on these roads. But now we are on this beautifully new Chinese-built road, and it is like heaven. We can actually breathe again. Oh my days, it has been a horrible day and a half, hasn't it, Yana?
Yes. Then we lost the road. Then we gained some road. Then we lost some road. Then we gained some. Well, you get it. Okay, so as you're traveling in Cambodia, you might notice buildings like this. Very little windows, no doors, and there's a sound of birds coming from them. What they are is swallow nest factories. So basically, after the birds are done having their babies, they've built a nest. They then sell those empty nests to the Chinese, who use the nests for skincare, anti-cancer regimens, and also for helping impotence. So yeah, when you're driving along the Cambodia countryside and you see these massive buildings, that's what they're for. How interesting. There's quite a lot of them too. And they have speakers, some have speakers on them that have bird noises to attract more birds. So there you go. Nest factories. And the price of one of these nests? Well, unclean they go for about $800. Cleaned they go for about $3,000. I think I might need to build one at home. Just had a quick pit stop, got some food, snacks, washed up faces, which was very refreshing. Water came out brown, so you can see from my shirt, which was once white, it's not anymore. Google Maps say we're an hour to go, add a little bit more on, probably an hour and a half. Ready for this leg of the journey to be over. We noticed the expressway didn't have an auto rickshaw sign, so we gave it a go, but we were instantly told to go away. Just go forward, I'm sure they'll understand that we're idiots.
No.
Yeah, which way do we go? We're not allowed.
Back.
Go back.
So no tuk-tuks are allowed on the expressway. Back on the road we go, along with everybody else. So there's a lot of controversy about Sihanoukville. It used to be a coastal town with some of the best beaches. It was very tranquil. There wasn't a lot going on. It was very peaceful. However, with the lax gaming laws, a lot of Chinese investors came in and started opening up casinos. The construction grew very quickly and the infrastructure couldn't keep up with how much construction was happening. So a lot of rubbish started accumulating very quickly. So Intrepid Travel used to actually have Sihanoukville on their itinerary, but in 2020 they took it off because they realised how bad it had gotten in there. There's also the problem with a lot of the locals got forced out of their homes because investors came in and just stole their land. So there is this level of extremely poor and then extremely rich. There are a lot of casinos in Sihanoukville and some of the accommodation is extremely expensive. Now we're going in the low season and even where we're going is meant to be $250 for one night. We managed to get it for $120 because it's the low season and there's a big discount. But if you want to spend the night there, you either need to spend a lot of money or you need to go for the guest houses, the bar and bar places, which are a bit cheaper and you'll get a better experience too, I think. As you enter Sihanoukville from the west, you're greeted by a massive foundry and then a cute little seaside town that sits just off the beach. As that fades out, the industry comes in, and it's clear this town is a bustling port with buildings going up left, right, and centre. But we were yet to see these casinos we read so much about. After checking into our hotel and having a shower, we jumped in a grab to get something to eat. At night, Sihanoukville comes alive. Casino signs flashing, and we even got text messages outside of some of the casinos with offerings, which has got to be against some kind of law, surely. Obviously not here. Once back at our hotel, we fed the street dogs, gave them some loving, because tomorrow we were heading to paradise, and after the last 2 days, we were more than ready for it.